What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back on the video, man. Today, you read the title, you already know what we talking about today. But before we get into the video, right now what I need you to do is subscribe to the channel. We're gonna grind to 20,000 subscribers on DeVintage World, you feel me? Hit that notification bell so you never miss another video, live stream, or any other content drop, community post, whatever I do. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video, man. Let's get it. Alright, so as you read by the title, I hit on the Air Jordan 6 Infrareds, but I did not hit on them in the United States. So you know it's a United States sneakers app, and it's a German sneakers app, and they got like sneakers with SNEAKRS instead of SNKRS. So they sent me a notification on my phone, and I was like, wait, what? Like, I didn't even know they did that over here. I did the draw, I entered my size, I entered my payment information, I entered my address over here in Germany. And I waited about 30-40 minutes, and I got bad reception at my job, so I waited to about like pretty much like an hour and a half, and I finally got the notification that I hit on them. And then when I went on Instagram, I thought I was like the first one to get them and stuff like that. And then I went scrolling down my timeline because I didn't have my phone the past couple days. You know, I haven't been on YouTube either, and people been hitting on them like 12 hours before in the States, and they was hitting on this Air Jordan 6s as well. So I'm like, is he gonna be like a major GR or what? I was very confused. I was like, man, I thought I was gonna be the first one. It's not a big deal if you get the shoes first, but it always feels kind of good if you like the first one to hit on them and you like kind of standing out there on YouTube and in general with your sneaker collection. You feel me? So yeah, I hit on them on my German phone right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I was hella excited because I was like, I never hit on a draw. Like, it's the first time in a long time I hit on a draw. The first draw I did, that's when I first got the app. I think that's how they do people. If you delete the app and you get it again, I think they give you like a draw or something, because I hit on, let me show you guys. Oh, here to go right here. Got the purchased symbol right here. This is a German sneakers app right here. Let me show y'all how it looks real quick. See right there, it got it in German right there. Check it out. See if I can get that close. Like, none of that's English. I just want y'all to let that be known. I hit on these on the German-based sneakers app or Europe-based sneakers app, man. Got my size, and I was so excited. Like I said, man, it's crazy. The first draw I hit, I'm gonna show y'all, was on, where they at? I don't even think they on here. I think I hit on one on my white phone, and I hit on the Championship Pack 8s, which is it was a shocker. I was like, man, it's the first time I hit on something. It's the first time I really started getting the sneakers and buying sneakers. I hit on those. And German, the Europe app, bless your man's DeVintage on this pair of Air Jordan 6 Infrareds. And like I said, people was hitting on them in the States. I know my boy Sniper Jones hit on them. I think FeetzNTreatz hit on them as well. And I was just scrolling on Instagram. I got like a whole bunch of DMs and stuff like that. I haven't been checking. I have not ignoring anybody. I just been busy. I've been working, you feel me? I've been working. And yeah, man, a couple other people hit on them. Oh, HeGotKickz got them as well. I'm scrolling right now. HeGotKickz got them. So I'm thinking it's gonna be a major GR. That's kind of the smart way to do it when you're thinking about shoes like OG color like the Infrared 6, the Concords, the Breads. They gotta give people the shoes they want. They gonna sell them because everybody been wanting them for years to come. They hitting us with the like the originals of the sneaker with the Nike on the back and stuff like that. The Concords, the high cut pattern leather, and people are gonna buy them. So it's smart on their end, like the marketing side of things. And even with me buying the shoe, I don't care if everybody got the shoe, as long as I got the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Like 2014, I was not able to get them, as y'all know. I was still in high school 2014, and I had the money to get them, you know what I'm saying? Now, I got my own money, I can buy what I want. I was like, I got to cop these, and I was gonna get them early from somebody, and luckily, I held off for a while, and I saved me a lot of money, man. I saved a lot of money with holding off, and I got them for retail, which is a little bit over retail, because you know they charge in euro over here, and the euro is, you know what I'm saying, worth more than the US dollar. So it is what it is. I got my pair. I'm happy. Early review coming soon. I do know that on the sneakers app, Nike app, footlocker.com over here in Germany, they do ship within like 2 to 3 days. So I might get the shoes on Monday or Tuesday. So I hit on them now. They probably processing it. They're gonna ship today, Saturday. I'll probably get them Monday or Tuesday, so y'all be ready for that review. And on feet, man, I cannot wait to bring y'all that video. Like I said, I want to get you guys an early review once a month, regardless of what shoe it is. I want to hit y'all with a review, get my input on it, get my, you know what I'm saying, the details about the shoe, the sizing, the pricing, where you can cop and stuff like that. And now I can finally hit you guys with how to cop the Air Jordan 6 Infrareds. And the way it's looking right now, they a little, you know what I'm saying, GRish, you know what I'm saying, looking a little GRish. I don't think they're gonna, you know what I'm saying, make them limited, because I wouldn't be smart on their end. And a lot of sneakerheads that have been waiting for this shoe for a while is not gonna be happy either. So right now, before y'all, you know what I'm saying, leave the video, I need y'all to let me know if y'all hit on the early access Air Jordan 6 infrareds. Like I said, I was scrolling on Instagram and I see a lot of people took an L on them. They went very, very quick over there in the States. They didn't do a draw like they did over here in Europe, man. They did a draw. It's like, all right, let me go ahead and enter. I wish I had another Germ if I want to try to enter again, because I do want to double up on this pair. This is one of the shoes I want to double up on. Double up on the Flugans. I double up on the French Blue 12s. And I think it was another pair. Oh, the Take Flight 8s I doubled up on. And the 6 is a shoe I want to double up on as well, along with the Concord 11s, man. You already know the 11s is like the hot commodity on my channel, the hot commodity in my collection. I just love Air Jordan 11s. They've grown me very, very well the last couple years, along with my Air Jordan 1s, man. So I want to keep building on my Air Jordan 1 collection as well as my Air Jordan 11 collection. But we're not talking about the Air Jordan 1s or 11, we're talking about the infrared 6s, man. Like I said, early view coming soon. Monday or Tuesday, y'all stay tuned for that. How to cop, probably gonna drop day after that. And yeah, let me know if you copped. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage. Subscribe, notification bell for your boy. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Got video dropping for you today, tomorrow, the day after that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I got videos dropping for y'all all week, man. So y'all stay tuned, hit the notification bell for your boy. Let's keep sharing the videos, keep liking the videos. Let's get every video up to 100 likes. That's a goal for every video. I already know how we do over here, man. And yeah, 20K to grind, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.